Hello everyone, it's time for another weekly KO model news update. It's been another super busy week, with less and less time for model making, so please forgive me. Let's take a look at this week's new product news. First up is the Chonglong Jex Strike Freedom Gundam Twilight Coating, now available in a transparent mechanical version. Both the internal structural details and the outer armor have been changed to transparent. It's currently priced at $35 and has been released. Reviews will follow. Meanwhile, Extreme Impressions has brought us the HG Black Knight Squad Annihilation, which has already been shown in physical form and will be released soon. In addition, Star is releasing the GUK MS-07B GOUF Revive for pre-order at $3.40. HG Camphor Amazing is also updating its listings simultaneously with a pre-order price of $3.80. Additionally, Gao Gao is releasing a mixed and matched version of the RG Gundam 2.0, featuring the Kowloon Fist 1 color scheme. It comes bundled with a Gundam accessory pack from the Expo 2025 Osaka and is available for pre-order at $8.20, with a release expected soon. EA Model has updated their information on the Z Gundam, which is still a non-scale product. This product features a complete skeleton and an unfolded outer armor structure. The base includes storage for the Mega Particle Cannon. It is currently in the molding stage, and the Gelgoog 3 will be officially released in May. In addition, Gelgoog 3 has received another update, refining the color scheme of the slashing blade and making the transition effects part smoother. Details of some parts have been revealed, maintaining its sharp appearance. A version with a mechanical transparent outer armor was also showcased. Abuakong, the most abstract toy manufacturer in history, presents the RG Zeon. Just when you thought it was only a rendering and likely a scam, the manufacturer actually released the actual product. Because it continues the design of the original RG Zeon, the enlarged version's overall appearance is far from ordinary, featuring excellent articulation and numerous unfolding structures. The detail is also remarkably well done. Currently, it's priced at around $25 for pre-order, and a product review will be released soon. However, we encourage everyone to wait for the review first. Chiba Model is releasing an updated version of the HG Gundam Sirius after many years. It's currently priced at $4.20 and will be officially released soon. The price seems reasonable at the moment, and there are no reviews yet. I feel the design of the model is fine, but I don't know if there are any issues with Chiba Model's recasting. I suggest everyone wait for reviews. In addition, Super Studio recently released a review video for their MG Gundam 2.0 version. I've already pre-ordered the product and will do a review as soon as I receive it. Is it now common practice for manufacturers to release the device without prior review? Following the release of the smallest RG model on the market, the Crossbone Gundam, Caribbean Models has now updated information on the PB Limited Edition Crossbone Gundam X2. In addition to the usual color change, it also introduces brand new weapon and equipment accessories. Given the good quality of the previous product, this one seems promising as well. Meanwhile, the new manufacturer 15 plans to release a Takigawa Kyoshi version of the new Gundam. Following the release of the design sketches, rendered images of the head have surfaced. Molding is expected to begin in June or July. MH Model has also announced the KO version of the MG Gundam Vidar. MH Model's product quality speaks for itself. Bandai's design ensures the quality of the KO version. This MH Gundam Vidar comes fully equipped with enhanced accessories, satisfying collectors all at once. The initial pre-order includes a large number of accessories, including pre-painted hydraulic rod parts, a blade, and some gold-plated parts. Compared to the original MG version, a new extended waist hydraulic rod GK enhancement kit has been added, while retaining some features from the original waist, allowing for free replacement. Multiple styling options are available, including interchangeable GK nozzles, pistol flash, sniper rifle flash, as well as eye effect parts, a single eye replacement part, and enhanced hip parts. The improvement to the hip is truly delightful. Bandai's Crosshair has been driving me crazy. Seriously, the number of enhanced parts is arguably the most generous available to date. Another disappointing piece of news. The enlarged RG Sazabi model released by Yushinfang Model Studio disappeared from public view after an official announcement on their Weibo account yesterday. Is this manufacturer up to something again? They proactively closed their account. Are they planning to scam people and run away again? The 1/100th scale Murasame farming model is currently available for purchase at a price of $6.30. A major market clash is brewing for the RG Wing Gundam KO version. Following Chonglong and Moh Workshop, a third new manufacturer, Jinma Model, has released its RG Wing Gundam. Chonglong has already released its model. Moh Workshop is expected to release it in June, while Jinma Model, priced at $7.20, will officially release it on May 1st. It seems a long-awaited price war is about to begin. Jinma model, with the added benefit of coupons, includes decals, a stand, and effect parts. If the product quality is satisfactory, it might truly stand out in this price war and become the best affordable alternative. In addition, the new manufacturer, Boundary Line, presents its first product, the Constant. A promotional video has been released, showcasing the mecha with a complete frame and pre-painted details. The overall design appears to be inspired by the transient Gundam Glacier. Positioned as a melee unit, it features floating blades and a halberd-like weapon. Okay, that's all for this week's new product news. There are still quite a few eye-catching products worth looking forward to, but I still advise everyone to wait for reviews before deciding to buy. Finally, here's an AI-generated clip of Mobile Suit Gundam, Char's Counterattack. Please follow my channel, like and share, and see you next week.